isometric circle. First draw a cube with the diameter of the circles. I'm going to draw it in the top face. So first I'm going to go to the midline layer and connect the top face to midpoints. After you've done this, I'm going back to the 0 layer. I'm going to draw circles from the big angles. So this is the big angle. These are the small angles. So from the big angle, choose that at the center of the circle and draw it to the midlines. Do the same at the top. Big angle to the midlines. Then I'm going to trim. Select the midlines. Trim away parts of the circle. Next, we're going to do the other two sides. So we're going to connect the big angles to all the midlines. So midline to big angle to midline. Midline, big angle to midline. Now where these lines cross, those are going to be the center points of your other circles. Center to the mid. Center where the yellows cross to the mid. And now I'm going to trim what I don't need. Select the midlines again. Trim, 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 trim. And there we have it. I'm going to turn off the 2 layers. And there you have an isometric layer circle.